Hello students, welcome back to our online classes with Best English School and with me, your English teacher students. So students, in the previous video, I have completed the paragraph writing part 1 students. So now I hope that you all know how to write a paragraph writing and at your home you have practiced it all very well. So you should have to practice it because if you will not practice any writing skills, so you will forget how to write the writing skills. Okay students, so that is necessary that you have to know how to write the writing skills of each of the writings. Okay, so in this video we would like to start the paragraph writing part 2 students. I know you all were very much eager to know how to write a paragraph writing, so I have already teach you that, right? And I have given you one example also of the small paragraph writing. So students, today in this video we will discuss some more paragraph writing. Someone would be the small one, someone would be the little longer one. Okay, so you have to understand that how we would like to write a paragraph writing. Okay students, and if you will got to know and you will perfect while writing the paragraph writing, so you will be very much enthusiastic and you will be very much good enough to do anything in any writing skills, because paragraph writing is one of the major part of the writing skills students. Okay, so let's begin. Our subject is English subject and the topic we were discussing is about the writing skills, and that is a paragraph writing. Okay students, so let's begin. So in the screen over here in the board you can see that I have already written the topic and this whole paragraph, right? So that would be easier to make you understand that how we can write the paragraph writing. See students, there is more about the paragraph writing is that you should have to focus to learn more and more new words, because if you will learn new words, that will define your speech of slang. Okay, so whenever you will talk or whenever you will speak to someone else, if you know a new word, so that will be conveyed in your language students. That's great, right? So you should have to learn the new words and its meanings also. So in every chapter of this English subject, I have make you write the meanings, and in the later coming chapters we will do that one more and more students. Okay, so now let's begin our topic, paragraph writing. So this one is part 2, right students? So we should have to write the part 2 students. Okay, so let's begin our part 2. So part 2's first topic is all about the no pains, no gains. So we will discuss about no pain and no gains. Pain means dard. In Hindi we will like to say pain means dard. It's very sorrow feeling about a very sadness. It's all about the sad. And gains means profit. In any matter there is profit. तो जब तक आपको पेन नहीं मिलेगा तब तक आपके पास कोई प्रॉफिट भी नहीं होगा. So this one is the topic, no pains, no gains students. Okay, so let's begin our next this topic. We cannot gain without effort and hard work. We cannot gain without effort and hard work students, because hard work is very much essential in our whole work. Some people do not work hard but waste their time in waiting for a miracle of good luck to bring them a fortune. So students, people do not work hard. Means a lot of people, not you and not me, a lot of people is just doing sitting in the place and just waste their time, and they never do make any effort. मतलब वो कुछ efforts ही नहीं डालते. He just waited in a place and just wasted time, and they thought that there would be some miracle. ऐसा कोई जादू होगा कि उनके जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो सब solve हो जाएंगी. But actually ऐसा कभी नहीं होता, because if you will do the hard work, then only you will get the profit. Then only you will be happy. If you will sit chance. It is by hard work, effort, and enterprise that we can achieve success. So there is not a single thing about is luck. Luck के भरोसे कभी भी नहीं बैठना चाहिए students, because if we will just think about the luck and we will rate it out that my luck would be changed and I would be a millionaire, but that won't be happen. If you will do hard work, then it could be happen, but that is not confirmation about it, students. So you should have to work hard. A student can never become a scholar unless he takes pains over his studies. So students like you will never got a scholarship. You know the word scholarship. Without paying any money, you could easily learn it and you will score very good marks. If you are a brilliant student, then only they got the scholarship. So if the students will never get a scholar, why? If he will take pain over his studies. मतलब studies सिर्फ और सिर्फ studies में ध्यान देंगे, then only the students like you will get the scholarship. Not everyone, students. As the philosopher told the king, there is no royal road to learn. Even a natural genius cannot become a master of his art and achieve complete success without industry. So this one is a very interesting line, students. See, there is no royal road to learning. Even a natural genius cannot become a master of his art and achieve complete success without industry. So what's in this line, students? This line just wanted to tell us about that if there is no royal road, ऐसा कोई road नहीं है, ऐसा कोई path नहीं है जिस पे आप जाओगे और आपको pain feel नहीं होगा. There is not so much gold over there that you will be so much like a prince or a princess. No, that's not such type of roads over there. If you will learn, even a natural genius, जो genius people है, जो mind blowing people है, could be a master of his art. Means if the genius people could be a master of his art, means उनको जो चीज़ में अच्छे से आता है, वो ऐसे देखें तो वो उस चीज़ में माहिर होंगे, राइट? वो ब्रिलियंट होंगे उनके ओन काम में, स्टूडेंट्स. एंड अचीव कंप्लीट सक्सेस विदाउट इंडस्ट्री. मीन्स अचीव कंप्लीट सक्सेस मतलब वो तो अपने काम में माहिर ही है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? तो दे डोंट हैव एनी हेल्प, दे हैव बिल्ट हिज ओन पाथ, राइट? एंड दे डजंट हैव एनी हेल्प टुवर्ड्स द इंडस्ट्री के थ्रू उनको कोई हेल्प की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही इज ब्रिलियंट इन हिज ओन वर्क. सो दिस कुड बी हैव बीन सेड बाय द philosopher told the king that there is no such type of road that you will go and just as it is you wanted it, that will happen to you. But actually, if you will learn and the genius people could be a master of his own path, of his own training. So we are such a normal people, right? हम लोग तो normal people हैं. So that would be more difficult to us to gain a success, students, right? And for the students, you to get a success right now, you have to concentrate on your studies, students. Because if you will study now, your path, your road would be as loyal as you are, as royal you are, students. That's my point. Because if you will focus on your study, yeah, I am not telling you to, you don't have to look it out and you don't have to watch any other path, like anything. You can do it. Anything, any field that you like it, students. But more than that, you have to focus on your studies, because without your studies, your path would be incomplete, students. Okay? So focus on your studies, students. So in this paragraph, you have learned some new words also, right? Like what? Efforts. You can see effort. Then that is a miracle. you should learn the spelling and you should have to understand what does it mean. Then only these words you can write it in your own paragraph also, students. Okay, so students, this whole paragraph, no pain and no gains, you have to write it in your notebook, students. Now let's see the next topic of the same paragraph part. Okay, students. So students, now let's begin the part 2, second topic. So the second topic is all about you. It's all about your day, then you got nervous. It's all about the topic is that in every student's life that occupies in each and every year, students. So let's begin it over here. You can see the topic is the night before the examination. So before the examination, our night was very much hilarious, right? We got nervous that what will come in the paper, and if you are worried that you know it the answer or not, and you are not well enough to know, and if there would be some question that you doesn't know the answer, that type of nervousness, it's all around in each and every students, right, students? So that's why I had choose this topic. The night before the examination, means this topic is related to you, related to me also, because the teachers are also got nervous about that their students will make good mark or not, they will score good marks or not. So as well as the students, the teachers are also very much interested or very much excited to see the paper. Yeah, obviously the teacher make the paper, but they have some type of seriousness that their students will write it or not, or their students will definitely score good marks or not. All such things happen to the students and the teacher also, right? Obviously. So that's why I have chosen this topic, students. Okay. So let's begin this topic, what I have made you write. And this one you have to write it in your notebook, students. Okay. So let's begin this topic. Examinations are always fearless. It's fearful, sorry. Examinations are always fearful. Means we got nervous. We are having a fear. They are a great cause of senior words. Fear, anxiety and tension and worry. Obviously our examination, when the exams just come nearby, we got so much of fearless, anxiety, we got nervous, tension obviously, and worry. We sometimes what happened to students, there is not such type of worriness, but we took worry about what have happened. Sometimes you will believe it or not, students, what happened that the brilliant students that got each and every answers he or she have learned, but he or she also got nervous. So means he or she learned it very well, then only she got nervous. So what about you, students, and what about me? Like when I was a student, I was not so good, and I was an average student. Average not means above the average, you can say that. But yeah, obviously all the students got nervous, right? The brilliant students, he knows each and every answers, they got nervous. So obviously you all students will have a same part of the nervousness, students. The night before the exams is really painful, obviously painful. The students have no sleep, means the students have no sleep. Yeah, this is the difference. The teacher could sleep very easily, but the students have to learn. That's why they want to sleep. They stop eating food. Might be some students not eat food and some students eat more and more food. It's about the behavior, right? They want to read and revise everything. Obviously, in the last moment of the examination time, in the classroom also, the students think that I have forgotten everything, right? ऐसा होता है ना students कि जब आप classroom में आते हो exam लेने के लिए, तब भी आपको लगता है कि मैंने जो भी learn किया था वो सब भूल गया या भूल गई मैं, means मुझे याद ही नहीं है. And whenever you will got the paper, you just start answer. Means someone will tell you the important, yeah, this question is very much important, right? So obviously you will learn that important question. Yeah, and you will revise it, that answer, the question's answer, because you know it that this question is very much important. While the students, teachers make you write sometimes important questions. So under that, you got the answers, right? They are irritated if anyone disturbs them. Obviously, someone will disturb you, so you got irritated. It's a common nature. They pass the whole night in tension. They do not take anything in the morning and they just went to the school. So in the night they all were in a hurry mood, right? In a worry. They were very much worried, and when it's the time to go to the school, they haven't eat anything and they just went to the school, students. So students, मैंने आप लोगों को बस इतना ही लिखवाया है. ये टॉपिक में आप बहुत कुछ लिख सकते हो, a lot of things, right? So this one is your homework. आपको इस टॉपिक में, ये जो टॉपिक है the night before the examination, इस टॉपिक को इतना तो मैंने लिखवाया है, तो ये आपको लिखना ही है आपके नोटबुक में. But one more thing is that similar way you can add this topic also, and more lines you have to add it, and you have to write this topic in your own words, students. Okay, आपको यही टॉपिक एक और बार अपने राइटिंग स्किल्स में अपने हिसाब से लिखना है. You have to write it out by your own self, students. Okay, you can use these words, you can use new words also, then you will know to how to write a paragraph writing. Okay, students. So in the part 1 and part 2, in the part 1 I will make you example 1, and in the part 2 I will make you 2 examples. So I hope that you have understand that how to write a paragraph writing, students. Okay, so then if you have any query, you can just comment me down below. Okay, students, because I am very much interested to give you the answers of all your questions. Okay, students, so I hope that you have liked my video, and if you have liked my video,